yesterday we talked about a concept that technical analysis is mainly dependent on two major points, I can say. And which are these? One is price and one is volume. And for price, we said that there are four major prices: O, H, L, C. What is OHLC? Open, high, low, close. Then we talked about the concept of volume. And what do you mean by volume? For example, I say today's volume was 10,50,000. 10,50,000 shares. So what is the meaning of 10,50,000 shares volume? Number of shares which exchange hands. So is it 10,50,000 plus 10,50,000 that we have to consider? No, it's in totality. Correct? So that was about price and that was about volume. Then we said that whenever we want to track any price movement, we can draw different type of charts. And the very first one we talked about was a line chart, followed by a bar chart, followed by a volume bar chart. And the last one which we discussed yesterday was a candlestick. Quickly revising the features, how do we draw a line chart? Only on one factor. And what is that? Closing prices. We would plot the closing prices on a graph, connect them, and that's how a line chart is drawn. For a bar chart, we have 2-3 points. Like we draw it something like this: 1, 2. Which one is this? This is known as the opening price. This one is known as a closing price. This one will be the highest price and this one will be the lowest price. Correct? How is a volume bar chart drawn? So you will have a lot of bars here. Okay? And then at the end of the graph, you'll have something like this. And let us say it's this. So a candle or a bar, I should say, a bar which has a low open and a high close with an increased volume or with a high volume, can I say that's a better indicator as compared to other candles? Yes, this one is a stronger candle as compared to all of these candles. So it's an increase in price accompanied by increase in volumes. So don't look only at the price, also look at the volumes. Last point we talked about yesterday was about a candlestick. And I also told you that a candlestick was actually developed from a bar candle only, or a bar. So this was the low, this was the high. How was a candle derived? Just 1, 2, 1, 2. That's how a candle can be drawn. And if this is red, then generally it is a bearish candle, and had this been a green in color, it would have been a bullish candle. Okay.